Picture this, you're on a mission. You finally track down the exact page you need, the holy grail of information. You click it, and boom, a giant 404 page not found smacks you in the face. Why? What happened? Is it a government conspiracy? A glitch in the matrix? Or just a tiny, annoying typo? Don't worry, I've got answers. We're diving deep into the world of 404 errors. What they are, why they happen, and most importantly, how to fix them. If your own website is haunted by these pesky errors, stay tuned. What is a 404 error? A 404 error is basically the internet's way of telling you, sorry, this page doesn't exist. Maybe it was deleted, moved, or, let's be honest, maybe you just typed the wrong URL. 404 errors come in different flavors. Hard 404, the page is gone. It's never coming back. RIP. Soft 404, the page exists, but the server is confused. Google hates this one. Server side versus client side. Sometimes it's your fault, sometimes it's the website's. Why should you care? Reason number 1, bad user experience. Nobody likes clicking a link and hitting a dead end. It's like expecting pizza delivery and getting an empty box. Reason number 2, SEO nightmare. Google doesn't like broken pages. If your site has too many, it'll stop ranking your content. Reason number 3, wasted traffic. If someone links to your site and the page is gone, you're losing visitors. That's free traffic going straight into the void. How to fix 404 errors. Step 1, check the link. Maybe you just misspelled it. Try refreshing or using incognito mode. Step 2, use redirects. Got a deleted page? Set up a 301 redirect to guide visitors to the right place. Step 3, check plugins and themes. If you're using WordPress, a rogue plugin might be causing chaos. Try disabling them one by one. Step 4, reset your .taxs file. If your server settings are messed up, this trick can bring your site back from the dead. Step 5, fix DNS settings. If your entire website is 404ing, it might be a domain or hosting issue. Contact your web host ASAP. Now you're armed with the knowledge to defeat the 404 monster and keep your website running smoothly. If you want stress-free website hosting, check out Bluehost for expert WordPress hosting. Hit that like button, subscribe, and never get lost in the 404 void again.